नमस्कार। हमारे इस खास प्रोग्राम दिल से दिल की बातें में एक बार फिर से आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। टुडे वी हैव अ वेरी स्पेशल गेस्ट विद अस, वेरी स्पेशल पर्सन टू टॉक टू, सिंपली बिकॉज आई रियली थिंक वी आर गोइंग टू हैव अ दिल से दिल की बात। सुशांत एंड रानी कोहिनूर, वेलकम टू द CSR जर्नल।
Thank you, it's my pleasure.
A very obvious question. Sushant, Rani Kohinoor. Out of these two characters, which one do you think is more closer to your heart? How would you want us to address you?
I think Sushant and Rani are two sides of the same coin. मेरे हिसाब से अगर सुशांत नहीं होते तो रानी नहीं होती. अब जब रानी है, so I think that without Rani, Sushant is very incomplete. So you can call me whatever you want, but प्यार से. I will react. प्यार और इज्जत से तो कोई भी रिएक्ट करता है, तो आप जो भी चाहिए नाम बुला लो मुझे.
आप कहीं जाते हैं परफॉर्म करने, तो आपकी जो भी परफॉर्मेंस होती है, जो आपको प्रेजेस मिलते हैं, लोग जिस कैरेक्टर में जिस तरह से आपको पसंद करते हैं, वो ज़्यादा आपको एज रानी ज़्यादा अप्रिशिएट किया जाता है, पसंद किया जाता है, या एज सुशांत आपको लोग ज़्यादा अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, पसंद करते हैं?
As Sushant, I mean, I have been on TV and I've been performing for many years. और रानी दिलों की रानी है. You know, कोहिनूर तो है रानी कोहिनूर, but I think she is the queen of hearts. So some places रानी is लोग ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं रानी को, और कई जगहों पे they prefer सुशांत. But I think that the gap between Sushant and Rani has now become very narrow. You know, it's like, because I think both are fabulous.
You said queen of hearts, so I think we will go with Rani.
Do it. I said अगर आप प्यार से बुलाएंगे तो हम बिल्कुल मुड़ के आपसे बात करेंगे.
Okay. Now coming to the transgenders directly. बचपन में जब हम बहुत छोटे थे, you know, we used to be like little children, तो हमने देखा था कि जब भी कोई फैमिली फंक्शन होता था, कोई मैरिज फंक्शन होता था, और you know, किसी के घर में बच्चे पैदा होते थे, so that was the only time we used to experience and see the transgenders coming home. From there to this moment, which is like, I mean, I can't explain how joyous this moment is, you know, when I am speaking to you, and you know, to see a transgender doing so very well in life. हम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, किसी के लिए, आपके लिए या किसी भी ट्रांस पर्सन के लिए, ये सफ़र कैसा रहता है, क्या क्या मुश्किलें फेस करते हैं, and what are the things that our viewers need to know about the transgender?
I speak with you. I don't refer to your gender first. I will see what work you do, where you know, that's the conversation is not about your gender or her gender first. Why? Because you're male and female. Then why, when I enter a room, everything is about my gender only? इसको इतनी बड़ी बात बनाने की क्या ज़रूरत है? Now I'm Sushant, I'm a performer, I'm someone's child, I'm someone's sibling, I'm someone's friend, I'm a psychologist, I'm a singer, I'm a dancer, I'm an artist, I'm this, that. And one of the things is I'm transgender. Yes. But when people highlight only, ये किन्नर है, ये हिजड़ा है, why? Do you face that every day? आप ये मर्द है, ये औरत है क्या? You all don't face that. Then why are we subjected to that? So the question that you've asked, you should not ask me, you should ask the people. Why do they think like this about us? Is it because I am very educated, I'm a tax-paying citizen of this country, I'm a productive member of this country, so I deserve the equal amount of rights that you and she deserve. But I don't get it, unfortunately. And I think that that is where the problem arises. Very rarely you will see trans people who are as articulate as me, because my parents didn't throw me out of the house and disown me. If they would have said, no, we don't accept you because you're trans, so many kids, they study till the 8th and 9th standard. आप देखेंगे मेरी बहनें जो मांगती हैं, उनको कोई मज़ा नहीं आता मांगने में, बट उनको कौन काम दे रहा है? आप दे रहे हैं, हम दे रहे हैं, काम कहाँ पे? And the thing is that they are not educated. So when they go for work also, how will they go? They are not educated to get job.
Also for my viewers, कहाँ पर वो problem आ कहाँ रही है? Is it the parents? Because
yes,
जो
it is
मैंने
the
आपसे
parents.
सुना, I think it starts with your parents, and that's very dangerous. क्योंकि अगर आपके parents ही आपको support नहीं कर रहे हैं, then you know, expecting the world to support you is like,
Absolutely.
I mean, it's way too far.
I agree.
How difficult was it for you to come out to your parents? What was it like?
I'll tell you, it's a very funny incident. I didn't come out to my parents. My father asked me. So no, I didn't want to. I've never lied to my dad about anything because my
So he
dad.
had an intuition about something?
And that is also my brother's fault. Let me. I confided in him first, and that is because he was dating my best friend at that time, and she said that now she told me कि तुम बता दो ना मैं हूँ वो क्या करेगा तुम्हें कुछ नहीं करेगा. And then he, you know how the male bravado is now. अरे my brother or my sibling cannot be trans or cannot be gay. Then after 15 minutes he came and hugged me and he said, "Arey, you know I'll protect you and this that." Now I said, don't tell mom and dad because I wanted to tell. It's my story, it's my journey, I'll tell. He went and told dad something. And then dad asked me, my father asked me, your father is, I mean, I'm just blessed to have the parents I have. And see, everyone's not that lucky. And that's why it's very important for parents to understand. लोग तो बहुत कुछ कहेंगे, लोग तो कहते ही रहेंगे, उनका काम है. बट आप अपने बच्चों को अपनाएंगे नहीं तो कौन अपनाएगा, एज यू राइटली सेड, is that if the parents don't accept the child, then how can you expect the society? My father, now he's not young, he's not some, you know, like yo. He is yo.
The woke generation.
Yeah,
so to
but
speak.
he's 66 years old. And so anyone who is around that age and stuff and says that, no, but you know, it's not. आप कौन से कल्चर की बात कर रहे हैं जहाँ पर आप भारतीय संस्कृति में, if you go to the cultural heritage of our country, we have the richest cultural heritage where we've respected transgender people. सभी आप अपने राजा महाराजाओं के महलों में हमको इतना बड़ा ओहदा दिया जाता था, उधर से लेके आपने हमें रास्ते पे फेंका है, तो ये किसकी गलती है?
Even if you go back to the Mahabharata, there are trans characters in the story.
सो
also.
कन्वीनियंटली हम वो सब भूल जाते हैं, शिव शक्ति अर्धनारेश्वर शिखंडी ये सब भूल जाते हैं और कहते हैं कि नहीं नहीं नहीं, इनको सिर्फ 2 बार बुलाओ, जब बच्चा पैदा होएगा घर पे या फिर शादी होगी. व्हाट आर यू डूइंग टू आवर सोसाइटी? एंड हु मेक्स सोसाइटी? यू एंड आई मेक सोसाइटी. व्हाई कांट वी होल्ड ईच अदर अप इंस्टेड ऑफ सप्रेसिंग? एंड व्हाट इज दिस अदर? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दिस. हु इज अदर? How dare you call me other? I'm probably paying more tax than a lot of people. How dare you call me other? If you are male, female, there has to be transgender. That is respect.
Within the family, the way you were talking about how it begins with the parents, you found acceptance. Even your brother eventually came around.
Yeah.
And so, what would you say to parents whose children are coming out to them now? If somebody has a child who comes and says, you know, I'm queer, I'm gay, I'm trans, I was not born in the right body. It will be initially maybe a shock for the parents, but what would be your advice to them?
I think parents should not be shocked because you gave birth to that child. That's your blood. What are you shocked about? Just one characteristic about their personality? But you're completely denying the fact that that child could be maybe a national award winner or win an Olympic medal in sports or, you know, be a parliamentarian or, you know, productive member of society. You have completely diminished all those characters only and you've got one character in which is gender and oriented. So how shallow are you being as parents? And how are you being a parent? How can you call yourself माँ बाप?
बट रानी जो भी चैलेंजेस आप बता रहे हैं इसमें पेरेंट्स को लेके, बिकॉज आई थिंक फ्रॉम व्हाट आई हियर फ्रॉम यू, मुझे लगता है कि पेरेंट्स आर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट, यू नो, इन शेपिंग अप द लाइफ्स ऑफ एनी ट्रांसजेंडर. ओके, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, व्हाट डू वी डू फॉर इंस्टेंस CSR जर्नल? वी रियली वांट टू कंट्रीब्यूट. ठीक है, कंट्रीब्यूट, व्हेन आई से कंट्रीब्यूट, हम सही मैसेज देना चाहते हैं जो आप दे रहे हैं, लोगों को बताना चाहते हैं. डू यू थिंक द पेरेंट्स नीड टू बी एजुकेटेड? उनको ये बताना चाहिए कि उनको किस तरह से ऐसी सिचुएशन में कैसे रिएक्ट करना चाहिए? बिकॉज मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट इसमें पेरेंट्स ही हैं. दे आर द फाउंडेशन. अगर वो सही है देन आई डोंट थिंक द वर्ल्ड वुड मैटर. सो ये कैसे कर सकते हैं? हाउ डू वी गो अबाउट डूइंग दिस? पेरेंट्स को क्या उनको बताने की ज़रूरत है? व्हाट इज़ द मैसेज दैट नीड्स टू गो टू द पेरेंट्स? या किस तरह से पेरेंट्स के पास पहुंचने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए उनको ये बताने के लिए? हाउ डू दे रिएक्ट व्हेन दे हैव, you know, a baby who's a transgender?
See, it's very simple. Your child is your child first. Then your child might have blue eyes, brown hair, this, left-handed, right-handed, gay, straight, dark skinned, fair skinned, that comes later. But first, that is your child, no? You have one job as a parent, one job. Otherwise, don't call yourself a parent, and that is to love your child and support them.
Yes.
That's so simple. That is it. And I keep saying that I'm a mother. I have so many queer children. I get emotional when I say this. I am capable of giving them the love of a mother. So I didn't birth them. But motherhood is a behavior.
Yeah. Yeah.
And so I'm very proud to say I'm a mother.
What about your success journey? Now, I think we would want to hear, how did you make it to, you know, whatever you've done in life? This is like a great success story, and I think the audience must know.
I'm also shocked sometimes. Like, I'm like a, middle class, child who was brought up with very middle class values, but, grounded always. My parents taught me you have to be respectful, you have to be grounded. You can make how much ever money, you can come and go, and the fame and success and stuff, but be nice to the next person who's sitting next to you. Bas, that is all I was taught. And I think that is the reason why I can adapt to various situations. Whether you put me in a mansion or you put me in a chawl or you put me in a hut, I will still win everyone's heart.
Yeah.
And I think that that's what I carry in my heart.
But with all the success that you've got in life, do you still face the challenges that any transgender trans person would face?
Of course, absolutely. And in fact, trans people are the most vulnerable to hate, to, hate crimes and violation and sex offenders and all of that, because they are so overtly trans. Like, they're so overtly expressive about their gender. Is like, and they shouldn't be hiding it. You can't tell a trans person कि तुम कम हिजड़ा लगो या तुम कम किन्नर लगो. आपका नज़रिया बदलो आप. पहले आप अपना नज़रिया बदलो. क्योंकि we don't tell men आप कम मर्द बनो या औरत को आप कम औरत बनो. तो आप हमें कैसे बोल सकते हैं? हम अपना कर रहे हैं काम. We are minding our business. How can you tell us that why you're so trans, why you have to be so loud, why you have to be wear red lipstick? मेरे होठ हैं. मैंने लिपस्टिक खरीदी है, मैंने पहनी, तुम्हें नहीं देखना, you turn and start walking. It's that simple.
If you take a show like Pose, for example,
Yeah.
on one hand, which represented the community brilliantly and they had trans actors playing the roles, compared to Bollywood representation, how would you compare the two?
Do I have to? Should I? But my thing is that I think I have to say this about my country. Wherever I go, I say India is the land of diversity. By default, we are the land of diversity, India. But Indians have gotten affected by 20 things in their head. They think this is our culture, that is our culture. Please read your Puranas, your Bhagavad Gita, all your religious books, and tell me one place where it says you can be mean, rude, or you can say something nasty about someone. आपको किसने हक दिया है मेरी चित्रगुप्त बनने का?
Who's your favorite Bollywood star?
I would say Rekha ji.
One male?
100%. I would say Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
Wow.
Yeah.
And what do you like about them, Rekha and Nawazuddin?
What is there not to like about Rekha? Now you tell me this. ये आप मेरे को बताइए, जो है जैसे तहजीब से बैठती है. भैया मैंने तो 3% भी हम तीनों को मिल गया ना, हम तृप्त हो जाएंगे. रेखा जी जब आती है, एंटर करती है, तो मतलब माहौल बन जाता है. लाइक सब लोग ऐसे यस मैम ऐसे बैठ जाते हैं. बट शी एट हर, लुक एट हर ग्रेस, लुक एट हर पॉइज, लुक एट द ब्यूटी. अल्फाज इतने अच्छे अच्छे निकलते हैं उनके, सो एवरीथिंग अबाउट हर. उन्होंने मुझे कांजीवरम दी है,
Oh wow, you
gifted
met
me.
her also.
Of course, I've danced for her also.
And Rani, you've seen the gay rights, they are getting a lot of attention in the recent past and much deserved. So how far do you think is the transgender from getting the equal attention?
I think that we don't want special rights. हम नहीं कह रहे कि हमारे लिए आप रेड कारपेट बिछा दो ये वो, हमको वही राइट्स चाहिए जो आपके पास हैं. तो अभी मैंने कितना क्या मांग लिया बाप रे. I want the same rights that you have got, to inheritance, to marriage, to adopt, to have children, to have a, what have I asked? What are we asking for? Basic ना, this is basic. रोटी कपड़ा मकान दे दो, उसके बाद इज्जत दे दो. पहले तो इज्जत दे दो. सबके पहले पहले हमें इज्जत से देखो. नज़रिया आपका बदलना चाहिए, you know. And then things will change. So I think that trans people, and let me tell you one thing, India is one of the first, not one of the first countries to identify trans people on paper. We are allowed to vote, we are allowed to do a lot of things on paper. That is another thing, that people are not sensitized about trans people and how to respect them, because we have been conditioned to believe na, that male and female only is there. Trans people are like, उनका तो काम ही है मांगना.
So how do you think the media can help in sensitizing? How can we be allies?
I
As a
think-
publication and the media in general.
I think what you all have done today by having me makes you a fantastic ally, because you're telling a honest, true story. Now imagine if some actress had to sit and pretend to be transgender, how funny it is. So why you're doing it on screen? You know what I'm saying? So I think that when you tell real stories, na, automatically the audience understands.
Now companies are becoming more inclusive. They are taking it more seriously.
Please name some.
On some level, I would say
Godrej, I
probably
know.
Godrej,
The
TCS.
Okay.
The Tata
so imagine
companies.
in India, which is one of the most populated, you have 5, 4, 3, and a half.
Probably, probably 10.
But you know, in a population
You know,
of
this means we stand
1.3
nowhere.
billion, you have 4 companies, and I have to say this about Godrej was the first to do it.
You've also worked with them on
I
Godrej
have.
Culture Lab.
I
What was
have.
that like?
I have
You've
trained their
done-
employees also. But my thing is that because I have a degree, and it's not like अरे trans है तो इसको degree है, पढ़ी हूँ, लिख के मैं आई हूँ यहाँ पे.
Rani, we also work very closely with the government. जैसे आपने corporates के लिए एक message दिया what they need to do. Anything that you think the government should also do, कोई ऐसे initiatives उनकी तरफ से आने चाहिए जिससे इस चीज़ में help हो सके या ये चीज़ fasten up हो सके, जल्दी इसको implement किया जा सके.
See, I'll have to give credit to the NISD, which is the National Institute of Social Defense. They're doing a lot of work with trans people. They have, in fact, a transgender welfare board. I have met the director, Mr. Dr. Virendra Mishra ji, and we have spoken a lot about how we can. And he does they do a lot of work. Best part is they call trans people on the board. That is what is very important. Yeah.
As an artist, what do you love doing the most? Singing, dancing, acting?
I love seeing my audience happy. And if you write a big enough check, I'll do mostly everything. No, but I love to I'm an entertainer. Let me put it like that. I'm an eclectic entertainer. I'll do everything, but I want to see my audience happy.
But just for you to know, at the CSR Journal, we are all fan of your singing. So a couple of lines for our viewers, if you can.
सलामे इश्क मेरी जा जरा कबूल कर दो, तुम हमसे प्यार करने की जरा सी भूल कर लो, मेरा दिल बेचैन, मेरा दिल. अरे यार थोड़ा तो आप जब हम ताली बजाते हैं आप डरते हैं तो
Sorry, we missed.
भैया
We got so involved.
come on.
Yeah, we were just listening
We just
to
got
you.
so engrossed and
मेरा
involved.
दिल बेचैन, मेरा दिल बेचैन है हम सफर के लिए, सलामे इश्क मेरी जा जरा कबूल कर दो.
Fantastic, fantastic. Very impressive indeed. And one line for Sushant.
ओ मेरे हम सफर प्यार की राह पर साथ चले हम मगर क्या खबर, रास्ते में कहीं रह गए हम नशी, तुम कहाँ.
Incredible.
अरे इनक्रेडिबल बाद में आएगा, पर आप कंप्लीट तो करो.
मैं यहाँ
तुम कहाँ
मैं यहाँ.
CSR General Excellence Awards. The entire team is very excited and you know you are going to be hosting the show. ऐसा क्या था? Why did you choose to accept our offer to be the main anchor and to be hosting the show all on your own? So we are very, very happy, but we want to know from you, why did you say yes?
But how could I say no? Also is my question to you. When you all have been so welcoming and you all have given me so much respect, again, it all comes to respect. You gave me respect and I felt like I'm sitting with my family. So now if you invited me, it is my duty to come and make people happy. As I said, my audience has to be happy. It is my privilege to be here and represent not only my trans sisters, but my sisters, whether they are female, and my brothers, whether they are male, as a human being first. And that's what you saw, na? You didn't see that I'm trans or whatever.
You must know this. हमने आपको बिल्कुल भी इसलिए नहीं इनवाइट किया because you are a trans person. हमने इसलिए किया because we are so impressed and we are really looking forward to you hosting and anchoring the show. So it's nothing to do with transgender.
So that's why I sang ना तुम कहाँ आए मैं यहाँ. So आपने बुलाया हम चले आए.
Anything that you want to say for the viewers of the CSR Journal and for all the attendees who are going to be attending the show?
Well, it's going to be one hell of a show, that I can promise. And I just want to say that initiatives like this, not only I would say, encourage people within the corporate sector to do better, but also everybody who will be able to see this, and even the people who are involved in the corporate sector will go and share with their families. Now their families will go and share with their friends. You see how much change you're creating with just one show. You might not realize that, but I'm here to remind you. And for that, I have to tell you that I'm very, very thankful for, and I can't wait for it.
And
That's
you
all.
as the host, what should the audience and viewers all over the world, because it's going to be all over the place,
Yes.
digital, print, electronic media, what is that they should look forward to from Sushant and Rani Kohinoor as a host?
I think always expect the unexpected with me. Because if I give all the secrets, then what's the point? You and I know what the script and all, or the jokes and all are, but why I should tell everyone? Then they'll be bored on the show, so I'm not going to share that. That is a secret. That they will see on the day of the show.
Thank you so much. मैंने जितना सोचा था शायद उससे बहुत ज़्यादा इस whatever we spoke, I think it was way beyond my expectations. So thank you very much. Thanks for being with the CSR Journal, and we are really truly looking forward to the 7th of January when you will be hosting the show. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Looking forward to having you.
Thank you, and it's my pleasure. Honestly, it's my pleasure. Thank you.